Hello, Soul Sparklers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Soul Sparks with Pallavi. And today I'm back again with the episode number 7 of Unbreak My Heart, our Soul series. And today I'm going to talk about a wonderful book. And these kinds of books, they feel like mirrors. They don't tell you how to forget, how to love, how to move on, but they show you what it feels like, the what it feels to be in the world, knowing that the person you loved is still breathing, but that person is not beside you anymore. Yes. So this is one of the books, and the name of the book is Normal People, and it is written by Sally Rooney. And if I talk about the genre of this book, it has a genre of literary fiction, contemporary romance, and emotional realism. And this book is acclaimed for its brutal reality. It shows the brutal truth of love, misunderstanding, and miscommunication and heartbreak in the modern times. So, सो अगर कभी आपने किसी ऐसे पर्सन से प्यार किया है जहाँ पे या फिर कोई भी रिलेशन रहा हो आपका, जिन्होंने आपको हर्ट किया हो अपने किसी भी तरीके से, ओके, जिन्होंने आपको छोड़ दिया हो, नॉट बिकॉज दे डिडंट लव यू, बिकॉज उनकी इनसिक्योरिटीज इतनी ज्यादा थी कि वो उससे उभर नहीं पाए। वो बहुत सारी ऐसे इमोशंस दबे हुए थे उनके अंदर, जिससे वो कभी हील ही नहीं हो पाए, तो वो आपको कंप्लीट ही फील नहीं करा पाया। या ये बुक उन पर्सन के लिए भी है जिन्होंने लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा सामने वाले के लिए किया हो, 100% एफर्ट दिया हो, बट स्टिल उनके साथ रह कर के उनको फील हुआ हो कि नो, आई एम नॉट इनफ, आई एम नॉट कंप्लीट, आई डोंट डिजर्व दिस। अगर आपको लास्ट में ऐसा रियलाइज हुआ एंड यू बैक ऑफ, तो दिस बुक इज फॉर यू। So let's just go into the book. So this is the story about Connell and Maureen. They grow together in in the same small Irish town. Connell is a boy and Maureen, she's a girl, but they two exist in different worlds. Although they live in same town, but they live in two different worlds. The girl, she is wealthy but lonely. She has an insecurity. She has an insecurity of her own, and the boy, he is popular but insecure. He's kind but insecure. He's not sure of himself. Yes, and she's the outcast. The girl, she's the outcast. She's a bookish kind of girl. She is quiet and mysterious. On the other hand, the boy, he's the charm of the school. He's popular and everyone likes him. He's good looking, but as I said, he's unsure of himself, and they fall in love. They didn't fall in love with flowers and proposals and declaration. They loved silently behind closed doors, and due to the boy's insecurity, he was very insecure. That's why उसको ना अपना relationship like सबसे छुपा के रखना था। ही यूज्ड टू हाइड हर, मतलब उसको बहुत डर लगता था कि कहीं मरीन के साथ में उसको कोई देख ना ले। एंड द गर्ल, शी वाज ओके विद इट। उसको लग रहा था कि ओके, ठीक है, मे बी शायद ये सही ही कर रहा हूँ। कभी कभी जब हम ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट में ग्रो होते हैं जहाँ पे हमें बचपन से ये फील कराया जाता है कि यू आर नॉट एनफ, तो हम वहाँ ना बहुत चीज़ों को मिस्टेकली कुछ और ही समझ लेते हैं। मतलब हम मिस्टेक करते हैं, हम सोचने लगते हैं कि ओके, सीक्रेसी इज़ फॉर अफेक्शन। अगर आप किसी चीज़ को, अगर आपको कोई छुपा के रख रहा है, तो दैट इज़ अ साइन ऑफ अफेक्शन, बट नहीं। मतलब आई बिलीव कि इफ समवन लव्स यू, ही विल शो इन फ्रंट ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड, नॉट, it's not like he'll declare, okay, she's mine, he's mine. No, but he'll make efforts for you. He'll show, like, he'll do the work, because I believe love is not a noun, it's a verb. So he'll do things for you. She won't care that what others are thinking, what others are gossiping. But these days we mistake silence for affection. Sorry, secrecy for affection, and we mistake pain for passion. Like, okay, अभी ना मतलब ऐसा हो जाता है कि सामने वाला पर्सन आपको हर्ट कर रहा है, आपको कहीं पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, अंडर मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है, मिसकम्युनिकेशन, एंड आप हर्ट हो रहे हो, बट अजीब से ही तर्क आते हैं कि ओके जितना भी मतलब जितना ज्यादा तकलीफ हो रहा है उतना गहरा वो रिश्ता है एंड ऑल ये सब चीजें हमें सुनने में मिलती है, ट्रस्ट में मिलती हैं। एंड ये सब चीज हम मिस्टेक करें जो हम ऐसा सोच रहे हैं, वी मिस्टेक साइलेंस फॉर सेफ्टी। हमें लगता है कि अगर हम चुप रहेंगे इस रिलेशनशिप में, हमें इस चीज से प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, और अगर हम चुप रहेंगे तो हमारा रिलेशनशिप सेफ रहेगा, सिक्योर रहेगा। ये सब ये चीजें सोचते हैं। आई मीन बट इस बुक में यही बताया गया कि ये चीजें हमें, ये चीज बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है मॉडर्न रिलेशनशिप्स में। दे, ऐसा नहीं है कि कॉर्नेल एंड मरीन दे डिडंट लव ईच अदर, दे लव्ड ईच अदर, दे अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर, बट वो लोग अपनी इनसिक्योरिटी से कभी ऊपर उठ ही नहीं पाए, इसलिए तो कॉर्नेल स्कूल में उसको हाइड करके रखता था। एंड कॉलेज पहुंचते पहुंचते नाउ मरीन शी इज वेरी अफ्रेड ऑफ बीइंग ट्रूली लव्ड। एंड उनके बीच में बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेशंस थे, दे ड्रिफ्टेड, देन रिकनेक्टेड, देन हर्ट ईच अदर, मतलब ये ना एक लूप में चलते जा रहा है। दे मेड मिस्टेक्स एंड एवरीथिंग, but at the end of the day they keep finding their way to each other, way back to each other, until they don't, because आप कब तक ही जाओगे ना, मतलब कभी इसको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो सामने वाला पर्सन, कभी मरीन अगर कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है तो कर्नल अवेलेबल नहीं है, कभी कर्नल के सामने मरीन अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो इट वाज नॉट वर्किंग। एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे they both realized कि maybe love is real but timing is cruel. Love is deep, but we are still learning how to swim in it, and it is not working. And at the end of the day, they don't end up together. And trust me, I'm not giving you a spoiler, it's just the raw truth, it's the raw reality, because sometimes people were never meant to be our forever. They were just a part of our life, they just came to show that what it means to love deeply, what it means, what it feels to be in love. They came in our life to teach us about the things we are capable of feeling. And sometimes some people enter your life, they live, they basically they give a fingerprint on your soul, but they don't give you rings on your fingers. So yes, it happens, but in the end of the day you need to realize what you deserve. You need to get over things you don't deserve. You need to see your worth, because that's what the characters did in this book. And what normal people, what this book teaches us, it teaches us that every relationship is not a failure just because it ended. जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर कोई रिलेशनशिप एंड हुआ है तो वो फेलियर था, नहीं। कुछ रिलेशनशिप इसलिए भी एंड होते हैं बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू सॉ योर वर्थ, एंड यू सेड योरसेल्फ दैट नो आई डोंट डिजर्व दिस, यू अंडरस्टूड कि ओके आई डिजर्व दिस काइंड, आई डिजर्व दीज आर माई स्टैंडर्ड्स, एंड ये चीजें पे मैंने वर्क किया, आई गेव माई टाइम, माई हार्ट, माई सोल, बट स्टिल मुझे रिटर्न में कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा है, सो व्हाई वुड आई बी इन दिस रिलेशनशिप, लेट जस्ट बैक ऑफ। Trust me, you should back off. And the second thing that I learned from this book, that you all should learn from this book, that those people who love you can hurt you deeply. Yes, the people who love you will hurt you deeply, and not from cruelty, but because of their own insecurities, but because of their own brokenness. But trust me, that's not your problem. आई नो आप ऐसा सोचते हो कि नहीं आप उसको हील कर लोगे, ये कर लोगे, वो कर लोगे, बट आप कब तक करोगे? एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू डिजर्व शोल्डर टू। आप भी डिजर्व करते हो समवन जिस पे आप रिलाई कर सको, आप भी डिजर्व करते हो समवन जो कि कभी आपको आकर के हील करे, या फिर आप कभी परेशान हो तो आपके लिए हो। आप पूरी टाइम, ऐसा नहीं है उन्होंने ने कोशिश किया बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे नहीं हुआ। तो हाँ, लोग कभी कभी हर्ट कर देते हैं, वो करना नहीं चाहते, बट खुद की उनकी इनसिक्योरिटीज इतनी होती कि वो उससे उभर ही नहीं पाते। एंड ट्रस्ट में उनकी इनसिक्योरिटी इज नॉट योर प्रॉब्लम। आप सबको हील नहीं कर सकते, आप खुद को हील कर सकते हो, आप खुद को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हो। एंड ये बुक में यही चीज बताएगी कि कैसे आपको खुद को चूज करना पड़ेगा। यू नीड टू सेव योर सेल्फ, लव विल नॉट सेव योर सेल्फ, यू नीड टू सेव योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम लव। Sometimes yes, you need to save yourself. And emotional connection is not enough. Third point, emotional connection is not always enough, even if you love that person, even if you die for that person. But then also, if honesty, timing, and healing aren't there, that thing won't work. So believe me when I say that emotional connection is not enough. The timing, the destiny, uh, the way you understand, the way you talk to each other, the way you stand for each other, those things matter too. And last but not the least, that healing is not about forgetting. It's about forgiving the version of you who stayed too long. Yes, you should forgive yourself because you stayed too long. You were able to see all the circumstances. You were able to see through that person that she is not working for you the way you want to be. She is not appreciating you. She is not respecting you. But still, you chose them over and over again. Why? Because you felt that, okay, over the time, over the circumstances, things will change, and at the end of the day, there will be a happy ending. But what happened? You back off for yourself. You chose you, and that's the hardest in this, like, the important decision that you could have ever taken for yourself, and you should be proud of yourself. And like, if you ever feel in your life, if you ever regret that thing, if you ever regret staying too long, then माफ कर देना खुद को, because this is how life works, and आप उस चीज पे कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते हो. And if you are here because you are carrying the weight of someone you once loved, someone who touched your soul and still left your life, someone who made you feel seen and then left you unseen, then listen to me. You were not too much, you were not too kind, too honest, you were never impossible to love. You were perfect and you are perfect. You just met someone who loved you in fragments. Yes, उन्होंने उस पर्सन ने ना आपको टुकड़े में प्यार किया, ठीक है. They didn't love you whole, and because they hadn't learned how to love in whole yet. And that's not your fault. It's not your job to make broken people whole. It's not your job to stay just because the love was deep. You don't owe anyone your destruction in the name of connection. Yes, you don't owe anyone any connection in the name of your destruction. And you should breathe now. The version of you who loved, who stayed, who waited, who was too honest, who waited for one more message, who waited for one chance, that version did its best. And that version deserves rest now. Yes, that version deserves rest now. You don't need a reunion. You don't need a relief. You don't need rest. You need you. So choose yourself. Be with yourself. You are no longer a story that needs healing. You are a soul that has learned growing and is still learning how to grow. So let this be your closer, and let this story be your beginning. So with this, let's just wrap today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video till here, and if you really liked my video, then kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to connect with me, I am gonna share all my social media handle links in the description box, so you can connect with me through that. Till then, bye bye, be safe and have a wonderful day and life ahead. Thank you.